Spring nature photography in Sweden. Hi and a warm welcome to this video about spring photography. I'm here in Sigtuna in Sweden, and I think this is the last week I can capture spring photos here. So I will take photos of the scenes here in the forest in Sigtuna, and I will also take pictures of the flowers, and hopefully I will find some blossoming trees. So I really look forward to this photography tour in the forest in Sigtuna. So yeah, follow me.
The world from the place beneath the willow.
This is just terrific. I have seen some great views here, similar to some of the paintings by the painter Johan Crotén. Johan Crotén is one of my favorite painters, and I would like to take some photos similar to his paintings, and I think I will be able to do just that here. So yeah, let's give it a try. Let's take some photos similar to the paintings by Johan Crotén.
So many years, too many tears on your pillow, on your pillow.
Oh, I'm so glad now. I found a gold mine here. I know I will be able to take so many good photos here. This is a great scenery here.
The morning light, far away until you're out of sight. You're out of sight.
Yeah, this is a really beautiful apple tree. Of course it is. And I will take some photos here to remember this beauty.